Where's my chicken? Goes in. I come out to get in the vehicle to go fishing. Yeah. There's my chicken. Well, let's go. I'm done sitting here. Well, guys, it is cold out here. I mean, it's 40 degrees. 76, 78 yesterday. It is cold and raining. But we want to catch something. People's looking at us like we're crazy. We don't care. And we're going to go off under the hill and try to catch us a fish, guys. But we are going to the rock. There's a rock down by the creek, and we have been checking it out as we drove by, and we're going to go down and try to see what's down there under the rock. So we're going down there and try to catch something. We're taking you all along with us, so I hope you enjoy the video. And we'll see you down there, and we'll probably be freezing and getting rained on and all that good stuff. So stay tuned. You know, fishing's not fishing unless you're a little bit miserable every now and then, even if you go down to a creek. So let's go surf for a while. The Secret Creek bait, the night crawler. Oh yeah! Voila! First blood. Got a panfish. Get out there. Try it in the cracks of the rock. Oh my goodness. Got him out of the cracks of the rock. Right down there in the cracks of them rocks. I know there'd be a big one laying there. Looky there. Woo, it's cold. Get out in there. Does that smell like fish?
Smallmouth. God, I missed the smallmouth. We missed it.
Oh my goodness. Everything lives under the rock. The rock.
What about that smallmouth? Oh, man.
Oh, get my worm back. Red eye. Under the rock. Everything's hemmed up under the rock. Oh, and he connects. And it's a score. Finally. Back in action. Down the side of the rock. Down the pier. Yeah. Boy, that is a beautiful, beautiful red eye. Look what a beautiful little red eye, rock bass, whatever you like to call it. Look at the pieds on that. Very pretty little fella. Well guys, we just got done fishing at the rock. As Sean Connor says, And we had some fun. We caught some panfish, red eyes and stuff, and one of them was really beautiful, all the markings on it. Brandon had a smallmouth on. But that about do it for this video. We do a lot of creek fishing all the way up to lakes and stuff. We love fishing, and we fish multi-species. You know, if I just fish for bass all the time, I'd probably get bored and quit fishing. I like fishing for them all. And don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, guys. We're almost right now to 600 subscribers, and that is awesome. Thank everybody for subscribing. I appreciate it. Thank everybody for liking and commenting. I comment back to everybody that comments. And next weekend after this and coming up right here is opening weekend of turkey season. Brandon, my man over there, he's going to be going after them. Randy's going to be going after them. We're going to have the camera out there getting some video of it. So be looking forward to that. We're going to be having more fishing coming up. We're talking about taking a striper fishing trip to Lake Cumberland. And night fishing's getting ready to start for hybrid and stuff. So we got a lot in store for the channel here. A lot of night fishing, day fishing, and so on. Different species of fish, all the way up to stripers, muskies, all the way down to bluegill. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next one, guys.